Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to resize an image in Google Photos. So firstly I will show you how to do this on the iPhone, and then I will move to Android, because the path to this feature is slightly different on different platforms. So on your iPhone you need to open Google Photos, then select the photo what you wanna edit, click Edit at the bottom, and click at the crop. And now you can change form here, or let's return to the original. You can manually do this and then select form factor here. Then click at the check mark and save. Save as copy if you want to keep original on Google Photos, or save if you don't need original. And now we have it. That's it for Android. Now let's move. That's it for the iPhone. Now let's move to Android. On Android, open Google Photos, then select the photo what you wanna edit. I will use the same. Click Edit, and you don't need to select crop. Right here already we have options, so you can do this manually, or you can change form factor here. Just select the best one for you, then check mark and save. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.